Families visiting loved ones at Jewish senior services in Bridgeport, Connecticut have to meet in a tent. Last spring, when COVID first hit, CEO Andrew Banoff says they were much less prepared. 22 residents died.
I cried myself to sleep at night, recognizing that we didn't have the tools to care for people that we are here to serve and care for. So it was very difficult.
What were you lacking then?
Most importantly, it was knowledge.
Now there are guidelines. They've stockpiled PPE. Staff and residents are tested weekly. But COVID is raging back. They lost 2 residents last Friday.
So in many ways, it's exactly the same. We still have the fear. We still have the uncertainty. We still don't have a vaccine.
With more than 20 staff infected now, nurses who are well are covering.
I see the people who live here more hours a day than I do my family at home. They are our family also. And it's hard.
Nursing homes across the country are still reporting shortages. A review of federal data by NBC News shows 1 in 10 facilities said they did not have a week's supply of N95 masks. Nearly a third of all nursing homes said they had to wait 3 to 7 days to receive COVID-19 test results.
We still lack rapid turnaround testing in most U.S. nursing homes. That needs to change.
More than 1,300 nursing homes across the country had 3 or more COVID cases, the highest number ever reported in a single week. Midwestern states are particularly hard hit. In Iowa alone, there are 3 or more cases in 56 facilities.
We are in the middle of it here at Friendship Haven.
2 hours from Des Moines, in the small city of Fort Dodge, CEO Julie Thorson is angry and frustrated people are not wearing masks. Community spread, fueling more cases than they've ever seen.
I actually have people say, well, if your employees wouldn't bring it in, we're not the villains. We're not the ones that, aren't doing what we're supposed to do. The community needs to step up now.
It's why she and her staff keep posting pleas.
So from us to you, wear masks!
To protect the most vulnerable. Kate Snow, NBC News, Bridgeport, Connecticut.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.